1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All good children go to heaven. When I first got this little computer, I thought, oh, we've got to have a big secret entry code, so one I won't forget now. How does it go? 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more! It's such a big secret, yeah! And how many times have I thought of chucking the sodding thing into since then, or the nearest sea or something. Now, I'm brassic, my dole money hasn't come, so I'm flatters. I've got half a loaf of bread, a few grains of coffee, a few tea bags. What else have I got? That's about it, really. Third of a tin of tuna. Diet. Yes, I might not be so cheerful by this evening, though. Anyway, it's the most glorious morning. Still now at last. And I actually slept because it's just slightly milder. It's just that little bit milder without the wind. So I've actually had a night's sleep for a change, which always helps. Now we're to go and watch those naughty little old business bunnies again. I mean, they seem perfectly reasonable people indoors, but it's once they get out there in their little motor cars. But this is the England in which I live. I mean, I've been on and on about it. Just looking at last year's film. One of my films, I mean, I'm not hacking on about it all the time, but the West is the evil one. We the West. How can you possibly manufacture and sell weapons of mass destruction, which the West does, and then go to church and say, oh yes, God, yes, yes, forgive of our sins, the Lord's Prayer, the 2 commandments, and then think that that's reasonable? I mean, if I were God, I'd get a lot more than a slap for something like that. I mean, that is blatantly in your face. God, the West, the world, is saying 2 fingers to you. Which is a joke. But this is what's going on, isn't it? Has gone on, you know, for centuries. The one I mention is this abolition of the slave trade, because it took old Wilberforce 30 years to get it through their numbskulls. For the abolition of slavery. I mean, they're human beings. They're not things to be branded and used and traded with. They're people. Now, well, obviously I know about this stuff. I live in the world. I take an interest. And then, equally obviously, have I done enough to make it a better place for my passing? And obviously the answer to that is no, because if I had, then the whole world would be beautiful and wonderful. Well, that I can't do. But I can do my little corner, and this is my little corner in my soul. Yesterday was a beautiful day. I've got over 40 of these 5-minute films up now. Just in the 5 days I've been out on the motorways. It's actually motorway, it's just the M6 all the way. And the weather's really been, you know, splendid. If I were a sailing fellow, I would have been just delighted with that wind, I'm sure. Anyway, onwards and upwards, as they say. It's early in the morning now. Let's see if we can get a lift. I love you, my Lord. I'm blessed. I want to share it with everyone. Come and join us. When I say us, I mean all the saints and all the souls of all time. That's what I mean. Yeah.